Hello viewers, welcome to Tell Me How. Through this video, we will be presenting the basic steps of drawing a mandala art. So, let's have a look at the things required. A sheet of paper, pencil, compass, eraser, black marker, black gel or ballpoint pen, and a ruler. We will begin with some basic shapes of a mandala art. Though these shapes aren't mandatory, yet you could use them. Such shapes could be short petals, long petals, spirals, lines, triangles, and many such more. You could even add designs of your own shapes or any pattern which you like. So these were the basic shapes. Now let's begin. Divide the sheet of paper into 4 equal parts and from the center start drawing circles of various radii. Once you are done with the circles, divide it through diagonals, cutting the pattern into 12 sub-portions. For drawing a circular mandala, I personally prefer these guidelines as it provides with an easy ground for symmetry. I will begin drawing the mandala from the center and gradually come to the periphery. But let me tell you one thing, this video isn't a tutorial. It's simply my process of drawing a mandala which I am presenting through this video. I myself have learned this beautiful art through various sources which I had access to. necessary of sticking to a particular shape for your mandala. You can make a square mandala design, rectangular, semicircular, or can even go for a freehand pattern. All that you have to do is to keep the geometry and symmetry in your mind as the basic characteristic of a mandala art. Traditionally, mandala had a spiritual and sacred connotation and can be seen in various Eastern religions as a map representing the deities. In New Age, mandala is a diagram representing cosmos symbolically or metaphysically. Once you are done with drawing your mandala, use the black gel or ballpoint pen for the minute detailings and hence the touch-up. As Pablo Picasso said, good artists copy, great artists steal. So, you might not be the first to try it, but do it so well. Add your personal touch to it so that it becomes your style. To all the beginners out there, I really wish you to try this beautiful art. Just begin, and I'm sure you all will enjoy, as perfection doesn't matter as much as your love for the art matters. When you have finished all the detailings and your art is ready, erase all the pencil lines which you have drawn as guidelines, and hence your mandala is ready. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.